Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject English.
Good morning student, welcome to 5th standard English class. Now we are going to see grammar chapter 12, change of sentence and tenses. Okay, first one, change of sentences. 5 kinds of sentences. First one, assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamative sentence and optative sentence. First one, assertive, it can be two kinds. Okay, first one, affirmative, Ram goes to school, and negative, Ram does not go to school. Second one, interrogative sentence, some question in ask, such a sentence end with a question mark. For example, why are you sad? Why are you sad? Han gives all this question. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, third one, imperative sentence, express some order. Express some order, command, request or advice. Okay, order, command, request or advice. If such sentence subject is not used. For example, sit down, please help me, be kind to the poor. Okay, fourth one, exclamatory sentence, and express the feeling of surprise, happiness, grief, hurt, some etc. Okay, feelings of surprise, happiness, grief and hatred and etc. Such a sentence ends with the exclamation mark. For example, what a lovely flower, what a lovely flower, how foolish he is, hurt we have won. Okay, fifth one, optative sentence, describe some desire or prayer. Okay, desire or prayer, such as a sentence also ends with the sing of exclamation mark. For example, may you live long, would that he were alive, if only I could win the first prize. Okay, change affirmative and interrogative. Look at the paragraph. Affirmative, he healed the snake, he healed the snake. And negative, he did not heal the snake. Okay, she was writing a letter, she was not writing a letter. Okay, next one, change assertive into interrogative. Assertive, she is beautiful, and interrogative, is she beautiful, end with question mark. He can help you, and interrogative, can he help you, end with question mark. Okay, next one, changing interrogative into assertive. Interrogative, who wants to die, question mark, and assertive, nobody wants to die. Next one, change exclamatory into assertive. Exclamatory, how foolish you are. Okay, exclamation mark. And assertive, you are very foolish. Okay, next, change of tenses. Change of tenses. There are 12 tenses in English. The verb form used in these tenses are, okay, present simple, verb plus s plus es, and present continuous, am is am or verb plus ing, and present perfect, had have verb plus 3, and present perfect continuous, has have plus been plus verb plus ing, and past simple, verb 2, and past continuous, was were plus verb plus ing, past perfect, had plus verb 3, past perfect continuous, had been plus verb plus ing. Future simple, will shall plus verb. Future continuous, will shall plus be plus verb plus ing. Future perfect, will shall plus have plus verb 3. Okay, future perfect continuous, will and shall plus have been plus verb plus ing. Okay, first one, change into present simple. Change into present simple, verb plus s and es. For example, he won the race. He won the race. He win the race. It was reading the newspaper. I read the newspaper. Second one, change into past simple. Past simple, verb 2. Okay, I am preparing tea for my friends. I prepare tea for my friends. Change into future symbol, will shall plus verb. She have me 10 rupees. She will give me 10 rupees. Change into present continuous. Am is or plus verb plus ing. For example, I have taken my breakfast. I am taking my breakfast. Changing into past continuous. Was were plus verb ing. For example, I speak truth. I was speaking the truth. Okay, next one, change into future continuous. Will, shall plus be plus verb ing. For example, he has solved the sum. He will be solving the sums. Seventh one, change into present perfect. Has, have plus verb 3. She sings a song. She has sung a song. Eighth one, change into past perfect. Had plus verb 3. For example, he did not speak the truth. He had not spoken the truth. Ninth one, change into future perfect. Will, shall, have plus verb. I went to Delhi. I shall have gone to Delhi. She will cook the dinner. She will have cooked the dinner. Okay, student. Now let's see book exercise C. Take page number 64 and 65. First Roman, reread the following sentence as directed. Okay. First one, what a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. Exclamation mark. Second one, mom does not get up early in the morning. Full stop. Third one, two, I prepare tea to milk. Question mark. Fourth one, their dog wanders all the night. Full stop. Fifth one, he is very mean. Full stop. Sixth one, is Virat Kohli the best player of cricket? Question mark. Seventh one, my sister did not write a beautiful poem. Full stop. Eighth one, she is very pretty girl. Full stop. Ninth one, what a pleasant weather it is! Exclamation mark. 10th one, she did not write a letter. 11th one, the hunter killed the dove. Good. Full stop. 12th, the bird is a very beautiful. Full stop. 13th, what a fine picture it is! Exclamation mark. 14th, he is a big fool. Full stop. 15th one, Rohan runs very fast. Full stop. Okay, take page number 65. Second Roman, reread the following sentence as directed. First one, the play football. Second one, who hill mad dog? Question mark. Third one, we shall play cricket in the evening. Full stop. Fourth one, the old man is dying. Full stop. Fifth one, where was your uncle living? Question mark. Sixth one, she will be going for a walk. Full stop. Seventh one, you have not told a lie. Full stop. Eighth one, I had made him in the park. Full stop. Ninth one, Namit will have taken his meals. Full stop. 10th one, we learn your lessons. Full stop. 11th one, I am doing my homework. Full stop. 12th one, who has broken the window pane? Question mark. 13th one, she painted a picture. Full stop. 14th one, they were playing football in the evening. Full stop. 15th one, she had finished her work on time. Full stop. Okay, student. Thank you.